Hey, y'all, ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Look, I'm Jamie Deen. I'm in Mama's Kitchen. You know I got something easy for you. This is the perfect side dish for your holiday season. It's a hash brown casserole. It's so simple, y'all. Look, I want you to see. We listen. Y'all speak and we listen. Somebody for this recipe recommended that we cook these onions down a little bit rather than putting them in raw. So that's what I've done this morning. Sauteed off these onions. So we're gonna get us a good sized bowl. Got my wooden spoon here. Into these onions, I'm gonna add 1 bag of frozen potatoes, half a cup of melted butter, 2 cups of sour cream, 1 can of cream of chicken soup. Every casserole is shortcut. I've got some house seasoning here. And I'm gonna put 1 pack of this cheese in. And I'm gonna save the other one for the topping. But this is so easy today, I don't even have to take a break before we get to the oven. Mix all this stuff up really well. Now, you know, Christmas time is a super busy time for everybody, most especially around the kitchen. So this is a dish that you can put together the day before or the night ahead if you'd like. Keep this in your refrigerator, and then all you have to do in the morning is bake it off. You might have seen earlier that I did a breakfast casserole. That's what my mom has done my whole life, was breakfast casseroles for Christmas Eve. And she would always change it up, and I always thought it was so awesome when we got to halftime at Christmas that we would have a hot breakfast. And Mom never had to pull herself away from the fun. So I would recommend y'all do that. Here we go. 1 big bowl of all this goodness straight into a prepared pan. Some people are picky and hard to please, but who is not going to like potatoes and sour cream and cheese and sauteed onions with a little bit of soup to firm it up? This looks fantastic, y'all. We're going into the oven. Teresa, do you know how long?
For about 20 minutes.
35 minutes. Going into the oven, 35 minutes, y'all. When you come back, we're going to cheese it up and back in the oven for just 2 minutes. Thanks, y'all. This has been cooking away in our oven for about 25 minutes. I'm going to take the rest of this cheese and put it on here. Oh, this is going to be so good. Mom will tell you real quick, she's a meat and potato girl. So we're using Mama's potatoes recipes today. It's going to be good. Y'all don't go anywhere. Get your forks warmed up. Christmas is such a busy time of the year. Do not be afraid to take some shortcuts if you need to. This bag of frozen little cube potatoes that you find in your freezer section is a perfect shortcut for y'all this time of year. You got the Christmas tree, you got the presents, you got the family, you got a million things to do. Do you really want to boil and cube potatoes? Go to the freezer, y'all. Take a shortcut. See, I put a little bit of extra black pepper on here because I love it. Hey, you take an ingredient like a frozen hash brown and you put your love around it, put it in the oven, it comes out, nobody will ever know the difference. Appreciate y'all tuning in today. Merry Christmas, everybody. I'm Jamie Deen. This is Good Food. See y'all around the kitchen.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.